Hi, children. Have a great day. Let's start our session with a prayer, right? So, join your hands, close your eyes, and listen to me. Asatoma Satgamaya Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya Mrityoma Mridam Gamaya Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Fine, children. Now slowly open your eyes. Great. So till now what we are discussing about, children? We are discussing about motion and measurement, right? So what is motion? The continuous moving from one place to another place is called motion. So how we will move? Using some transport medium, so that is vehicle. So first we saw about evolution of transport, how the vehicles get modernized from ancient time to till now, right? Then we saw about motion, and according to the observer's view, what is rest and what is motion, like that we saw. Next, what are the types of motion? Different types of motions. The different types of motions are rectilinear motion, rotational motion, circular motion, periodic motion, oscillatory motion, vibratory motion, and random motion. So what is rectilinear motion? If an object travels in a straight line, that particular object is said to be in rectilinear motion. Example, moving of car on a road, shooting a bullet from a gun, right, and falling a stone. These are all examples of rectilinear motion. Then circular motion. If a body rotates around a fixed point, that body is said to be in circulatory motion. Example, wheel of a bicycle, car, etc. Then rotatory motion. If an object rotates around an axis, it is said to be rotatory motion. Example, earth, fan, etc. Right? So today we are going to see about periodic motion. Right? So what is periodic motion? If a motion repeats at regular interval of time, that periodic motion is known as periodic motion. So see here a motion that repeats itself after a fixed interval of time, that is called periodic motion. Okay, so example, watch. The clock will repeatedly do its action after correct interval of time. Okay, after a periodic interval of time, so the clock is said to be in periodic motion, right? So then oscillatory motion. If a body exhibits to and fro motion, that motion is said to be an oscillatory motion. Look at this picture, children. Here a ball is stringed in a fixed point, from a fixed point, right? If you set to move the ball, it will move from to and fro. Okay, it will start from one point and reaches the one point, and again it will come to the same point. That motion is called to and fro motion, right? This to and fro motion is said to be oscillatory motion, right? One oscillation is termed as movement of that particular ball from one point to another point, and again it will reach the same point. This motion is called one oscillation, and time taken to cover this one oscillation is called time period of one oscillation, right? So this is called oscillatory motion. Example for this oscillatory motion is simple pendulum. Okay, that is nothing but this pendulum watch we used in olden days, no, that watch. That is a simple pendulum, right? Next, vibratory motion. If we start to hit a bench, or if we start to hit a empty vessel, it starts to vibrate. That motion is said to be vibratory motion, right? Or if we start to strike a musical instrument like sitar, guitar, etc., that motion is said to be a vibratory motion, right? So next, random motion. If there is no definite path about the regularity of the motion, the body doesn't move in a regular path. It may exhibit in various paths. That is, a body may travel in straight line, or it may move in a circular path, is known as random motion, right? Okay children, so today we saw about random motion, periodic motion, oscillatory motion and vibratory motion. Okay, so note down your homework, take your workbook, page number 8 and question number 7. What do you understand by random motion? Okay, you have to write what is random motion. And the 8th one, name the kinds of motion that earth exhibits. What are the types of motion that earth will exhibit? You have to mention that, right? So remaining topics we can see in next class. Till then, stay connected, stay safe. Bye.